So this is the product that we have today, the Hamilton Beach Mixer. It has 4.5 stars on it, so that's pretty good. I did pick it up from Target for about somewhere in the $20 to $30 range, I believe. I did get 5% off because of my red card, which I highly recommend you get one if you don't have one. I definitely get my money's worth out of that one. So this is the hand mixer. When I was picking it out, there were a variety of ones to choose from. Some more on the pricier range, some not. What really sold me on this was the storage case that comes included with it, because I think that'll be a great space saver and a great feature. It also has 3 different attachments, which also sold me on it, because some of them just have 1 or 2, and I think having a variety will be helpful for me. Again, you can see the storage case has 275 watt power peak and an easy accessible door for the storage case, so that'll be nice. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking for a little bit and open this up and see what's inside. This is a very easy package to open, which is nice. So a little cardboard. This is very easy to open. It looks like you won't have to rip anything open. That's just simple plastic, so this will be nice. Okay, so that's the box. We'll set the box aside while I go through all these things. A nice little manual in English, French, and Spanish, which is nice. So they have different names for the different attachment: a flat beater, a twisted wire beater, a whisk. I didn't even know it came with all of these. A dough hook, a milkshake, and a straight wire beater. So I can even make milkshakes with this. I did not know that. That's pretty awesome. How to put in the different, so for the speeds it goes from 0 is off, and then 1 is low, up to 5 being the highest, and then 3 is medium. You can do a little quick burst if you don't want it on all the way, just a little oomph to get it going. That's good to know. How to clean it, soak in water. So you can store the cord in the case and then wrap it around. That's pretty cool. Limited warranty. I think it's a good product. I bought a Hamilton before and I've never been disappointed. I always got a good life out of the various products, so I'm not too concerned with that, but we'll see. These are all the attachments. This will be great, like a little whisk. So I guess it doesn't come with all of this. Might have to go on Amazon and see about getting all these other tools. But this one, just to order parts, I could call them too. On select models, okay. So they only have a whisk and the wire beaters, which is pretty good. I mean, that's all I was expecting. That kind of got me excited. But live and learn. So here's the machine. You can see the QuickBurst button. The low is off, and then it goes all the way up. Hopefully this is just an easy snap-on. We will see. This is live. I've never seen this before, so we're gonna figure this out together. Maybe. So I think I might have to look at the directions. It should just snap down. Okay, so this is how it stores. There we go, a snap. So when I want to store it, I can just store my utensils in there and be good to go. And now for the other one, to release it, I think I might just have to pull it off. Oh, a little thing, so I can even just keep this on and throw stuff in there. That's very nice. Now how do I get this off? I guess you just kind of pull it forward and then just slide it off. So that's good to know. So I'll shift the cameras over this way. So here's the things. I'm guessing it's going to be similar to ones I've used in the past where you just put it in and then twist it and make sure it's tight. And then put it in and twist it. You can kind of see the knobs in there. And so there's knobs up here, so you just kind of want to twist it and twist it right. Good. So this is going good. It's very easy to operate, which is nice. Easy to figure out. Take off my twisty tie. So I'm actually more excited to use this than to unbox this. If enough people like and subscribe to this channel and like this video, I may do another video of me actually using this out. But we'll see. Okay, so here's the buttons, and hopefully I have them on. I think, oh, that one wasn't on securely. Make sure they're on securely. Make sure it's on securely so that you can use it safely. So I'll go up. That's the power number 1. Imagine I'm mixing something. That's, even power number 1's pretty powerful. I'm surprised. For fun, let's go all the way up to number 6 and see. I have to maybe use both hands with this one. And that's about a medium. So that's good. Now the fun to figure out how to get these off. I don't think there's just a quick release button, so I may just have to twist them off. Uh-oh, they're stuck. I might have to go to my directions. I'm kind of surprised. Oh, here we go. I think I just press this down and then... So there's a little button there that says the things and then an down arrow. So I was thinking maybe I just have to press it down. But we'll read the directions quickly. And see cleaning, precautions, different language. Eject button models. So some of them, this is what I get for not wanting to pay extra, have an eject button model. Push the eject button to eject the attachments. And I don't think mine came with that, unfortunately. But there has to be a way to get them off. I might just have to twist them. Wouldn't this be awful if my first video is me breaking this? And it looks like this is also the off and eject button. And I just have to be a little bit strong and then just pull it out like that. And then pull it out like that. It's a small inconvenience, but it's very doable. So I'm excited. I hope you like this video. I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you enjoy watching it. And please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you. And I enjoy making these videos. So I hope you like them as well. Take care.